The Sun Salutation B is a series of more advanced poses that will get you ready for any yoga class. If you're looking for a class that's better for beginners or just something a little simpler, go check out our video of how to do a Sun Salutation A. So let's get started at the top of our mat. We're gonna have 10 toes facing toward the front of our room. We're gonna inhale the arms up overhead with our shoulder blades relaxed down the back and sit into our chair position. Now you can make your chair as easy or as hard as you'd like. Just make sure that you're light in the toes and heavy in the heels with your weight, and we're hinging at the hips here. Engage your trunk so that your hips are kind of curled up toward your ribs. Take a deep inhale and exhale, lean forward into a forward fold. Rise up so that your fingertips are on your shins. Nice long back, long spine. And exhale, plant the hands. Step back into plank, lower into a chaturanga. Your elbows are going to kiss your ribs here, 90 degrees or less, and then leading with the heart, you're gonna flip the toes into an up dog position. You're gonna have energy through the tops of your feet, pulling up and out of the crown of your head. We're gonna flip the toes, step back into our first downward facing dog. Now have those 10 toes facing forward, 10 fingers facing forward, pushing your upper thigh bones up toward the back of the room and energy down through the heels. Our goal is to get those on the floor. Now inhale, look up towards our hands, and then exhale, step up towards our hands. Inhale, rise halfway, fingertips to shins, and exhale, forward fold. Inhale, hands up overhead, and then exhale, hands back down at your sides. If you find a chaturanga to be quite tricky, there's some simple things we can do to modify it for you. You're gonna need a yoga strap that has the 2D rings and then a couple of yoga blocks. With your yoga strap, you're gonna feed the tail in through the D rings, through both sides, and then loop it back only through the furthest away D ring, so you have yourself a little tie. Now you just make it wide enough, about shoulders distance apart. For your chaturanga push-up, you can go down to your knees, and you're gonna make sure your strap is just above your elbow. So when you go to lower down, your strap naturally stops you from going past 90 degrees. Then with your feet planted, you can curl your back upward into your upward facing dog, and then back into your downward facing dog, all using the strap to help you for your chaturanga. Some other things that you can use in order to help you with your chaturanga push-ups are some blocks. Now what I'm gonna do is place them about shoulders distance apart here, put my hands just behind the blocks, and when I'm on my knees, I'm gonna lower down and I'll stop when my shoulder or my chest hit the blocks. And then I rise up into upward facing dog. A Sun Salutation B is great for any foundational class. It'll help prepare you for more advanced poses or even a peak pose at the end of class.